Woo. What do you got to say to that, bud?
All right, shit. That was scary.
What do you got to say to that, bud?
I about died.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, we are doing the Grille mod. Now, in order to do that, we have to rip the front bumper off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We've already shown that on the channel, but I'll probably show some bits and tips here and there. But yeah, I'm going to get this thing racked up and we'll go from there. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, a little update for you in case you want to know how to get these things off. So first you're going to have 6 bolts up there. Obviously you have to take that splash shield off for the radiator cover, whatever you want to call it. Then you're going to have 3 push pins here. Then there's going to be a bolt back here. Get a swivel. This is 7mm, and then you're able to pop that out. And then do the same thing to the other side. Alright, only other thing you have to do is take all the bolts on that hold your splash shield on. But other than that, she's ready to come off. Also, almost forgot to mention, under these flaps, 5.5 bolt on each side, and then it'll come off. Alright guys, and just like that, she's off. Now once you get it off, you're going to have connector here, and a connector here on both sides. So don't go yank your bumper off and break your wires or nothing like that. But now, we're going to take these grills out of the actual bumper, and then we can get to getting to the mod, really. So I'll give you an update once we get to that point. Alright guys, I wanted to give you a tip. So in order to get this grill out, you're going to have to first take this out. You have this series of sort of like up here, so you got to push these down to get them out. So I already did that. So we can remove that. And the best way I found to do it is you're going to stick a pry tool or a screwdriver down and push it down to start to pull the grill out. So it'll be pretty simple. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll bring you guys back on. Alright guys, as you can see, we got them out. Got them laid out over here. So basically, you flip them over, you see this line right here running along the whole thing. It's on these as well. And it's going to be the same on this side if you flip this around. You're going to take a Dremel or some sort of cutting apparatus, chop those off, and then you're going to take a file and clean them up. So currently I'm still waiting on Andy to get here with the Dremel. So once he gets here, we can get to work on that. And then we'll be good. What you doing there, bud? Woo! What do you got to say to that, bud?
All right, shit. That was scary.
What do you got to say to that, bud?
I about died.
Alright guys, as you can see, I got the bottom one all dremeled out. Andy finally brought me this bad little unit right here. Yeah. Now all we got left is the top one, so we're going to knock that out real quick. Alright guys, so I went ahead and threw the bumper back on. It's all back together, but as you can see, it's all good to go. And it's not 100% perfect, but again, that's not what I was going for. It's free. I'll put up on the screen right here what it costs right now. It was way cheaper, but I wasn't trying to spend around, I think it's around like $580 or so, somewhere around that range. But that's spicy, and this is free. So if you don't mind it, the bottom one I feel like it did a little bit better job on it. But it's all good. Like I may have said, I plan on putting some sort of different bumper on it at some point, but we'll have to stay tuned for that. But that's going to be basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found it helpful. It's a free mod, so you can't really complain on that one, but we will see you guys at the beach. We're also filming another video right here. That's why Andy's car is chilling right there in the background. But yeah, it's coming up soon, but we will see you guys. Bye.